Thai cuisine is renowned worldwide for its bold flavors, aromatic spices, and the perfect balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy tastes. Rooted in a rich culinary tradition, Thai food combines fresh herbs, vegetables, and proteins with fragrant ingredients like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Rice is a staple, often paired with flavorful curries, stir-fries, or soups. Thai street food is particularly famous for its affordability and variety, offering everything from grilled meats to noodle dishes. Here are 10 of the most popular Thai dishes. 1. Pad Thai, stir-fried rice noodles with eggs, tofu or shrimp, bean sprouts, peanuts, and tamarind sauce. 2. Tom Yum Gool, a spicy and sour shrimp soup infused with lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and chili. 3. Somtam, a green papaya salad with chili, lime, fish sauce, and peanuts. 4. Masaman curry, a mild, rich curry made with coconut milk, potatoes, peanuts, and beef or chicken. 5. Green curry, Gang Kyu Wan, a spicy curry with green chilies, coconut milk, Thai basil, and vegetables. 6. Pad Kra Pao, stir-fried basil with minced pork or chicken, served over rice with a fried egg. 7. Cow Pad, Thai-style fried rice with egg, vegetables, and a choice of meat or seafood. 8. Tom Kha Gai, a creamy coconut milk soup with chicken, galangal, and mushrooms. 9. Mo Ping, grilled pork skewers marinated in a sweet and savory sauce. 10. Mango Sticky Rice, a dessert of sweet coconut-infused sticky rice with fresh mango slices. These dishes showcase the vibrant flavors of Thai cuisine, making it one of the most beloved food cultures worldwide.